Welcome to this short news update from My Electric Earth. Well, it's in the middle of the summer here in the Northern Hemisphere on Earth, and maybe you have some kind of holiday now and take it really easy and enjoying the summer and the hot temperatures around across Europe right now and the United States. Maybe it's too hot for you, well, as we have been covering earlier on this channel, well, it's getting warmer and warmer, and we see how the climate is suffering from this greenhouse gases that has been emitted into the atmosphere for a really long time. Approximately 1 year ago, I made an episode about the Model Y when it's coming to Europe. And then I said that Elon Musk had said that the Model Y will be available in Europe when the Berlin factory will be ready to produce the car. But already now, more than 1 year after this episode, still the Berlin factory has problem to get ready. And as I expected, it will take longer than 1 year to build the factory and construct the machine that will build the machine, so to say. A famous saying from Elon Musk. I guess that this will take some more time before the product line of Model Y will be ready in Europe. And I think mainly the factory is perhaps ready, but I also think that the construction of the car takes more time to produce. I mean, Elon Musk said that there is so many new things that will be built into the European Model Y. It will be the new type of battery, and it will be another kind of way of putting the car together. And there is a lot of innovations that will be added to that production line in Berlin. And I guess that it's not done so quickly. And now it has come to a situation where the Model Y is available in United States, also in China, in Asia in general, but not here in Europe. And I think Tesla thinks it's a little bit embarrassing that one big market like Europe doesn't have this model that is a very popular car, that is selling very well. So now, since the Berlin factory doesn't seem to be ready for producing cars yet, they have to do something. In my episode more than 1 year ago, I gave an idea that they should produce cars in Fremont and ship to Europe for people that wants to have them and want to pay for that. Now it turns out that Tesla came up with another solution. A solution where they will build the Model Y in China and ship them from China to Europe. So the question comes up now, if you are waiting for a Model Y here in Europe, are you willing to take delivery of a Chinese Model Y? Or do you prefer to wait until the Berlin factory is ready and take a delivery of a European Model Y? What is the difference then? What can you expect? We really do not know how the Model Y produced in Europe will be and how it will look like. But one thing we know, that the Chinese Model Y don't have the same battery. It has another kind of battery that doesn't contain any cobalt, and that means also that the energy density in this battery is lower, which means that you will not have really the same range as on a Tesla Model Y produced in Europe, or the ones that is produced for the US market in Fremont, California. So apparently the people that has ordered the Model Y and is standing in line will get their car already now in August. And if you order a Model Y today here in Europe, the delivery is in September. What do you think? Are you waiting for a Model Y to get delivered? Write in the comments section here below and tell me what your thoughts is. Is it good or bad that Tesla is doing this move to start delivering Model Ys to Europe from China? Or should we wait another maybe half a year, or who knows for how long time before Model Y will be available here in this continent? For me, at least, I'm quite satisfied with my Tesla Model 3, and I will be waiting for some time until I see that the Model Y is coming out and start produced, and Tesla start produce them here in Europe, and then I will see if I will switch car to a Model Y. Right now, I'm quite satisfied with my 2019 Tesla Model 3. Okay, this is all that I have time for this short episode. But if you like my channel and want to see more of my movies and episodes about my electric life, please do browse through the history of my channel and see if some episodes might interest you if you haven't already done so. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's really helping out a lot. And that's it until next time. Have a great life.